One more shot comes. I feel like you're up to something.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to third lesson Hotel. How may I assist you today? Yes, I'd like to check in, please. Have you done your reservation process, ma'am? Yes, I go under my name, Justin Rosario. Alright, do you have your booking confirmation? Yes. May I please see it, ma'am? Alright, thank you, Miss Del Rosario. May I request your ID and credit card for verification? Sure. Okay, ma'am, please give me a minute as I check in our system your reservation. Thank you for patiently waiting, ma'am. Upon checking in our system, there is a confirmed booking reservation under the name Miss P. Justin Del Rosario. Ma'am, you booked a deluxe room for 2 nights. Here is your room key, Wi-Fi details, and breakfast included. Check-out time is 12. Thank you. You're welcome, ma'am. Enjoy your stay. Hi, hello. I'm checking out for 300 room. Okay, let me just pull up your bill. Did you have anything from the minibar? Yes, just one soda. Great, I added that. Okay, ma'am, your total is 220 pesos. How would you like to credit card, please? Okay, ma'am, here's your receipt and your credit card. Okay, thank you for staying with us and hope to see you. Thank you. Bye. Good morning, welcome to Sherry Passos Hotel. How are you today? Hi, I'd like to book a room for tonight. Do you have any available? Certainly. Let me check our availability. May I know what type of room you're looking for? A single room will be fine. For how many nights will you stay? Just one night. Thank you. We will have single rooms available. The rate is 1,000 pesos per night, including complimentary breakfast and Wi-Fi. Would you like to proceed with the reservation? Yes, that sounds good. Wait, may I have a valid photo ID, please? Okay, wait. Here. Thank you. May I also have your phone number and email address for our records? Yes, my phone number is 0919 36 84 53. And my email address is ilonggoldpersonal@gmail.com. Thank you. Will you be paying by cash or credit card? By card, please. Perfect. Please insert or tap your card in the machine. Payment receipt. Here is your receipt. I'll just prepare your room key. Please review the check-in form and sign here. This outlines your room details, check-out time, 12 p.m. tomorrow, and our policies. possible. If you need anything during your stay, dial 0 from your room phone. Enjoy your stay at Cherry Blossom Center. Thank you. You're welcome. Good morning. Thank you for calling Cherry Blossom Hotel. This is Kate Justin. How are you today? Hi, I'd like to make a reservation, please. Certainly. May I have your full name, please? Yes, it's Angel Nicole Herzano. Thank you, Ms. Herzano. What date will you be staying with us? I'll be checking in on May 9 and check out on May 11. Great, let me check availability. Yes, we do have room available. What type of room would you prefer? We have single, double, and deluxe room. I'd like a single room, please. Perfect. For 2 nights, the total comes to 2,000 pesos including taxes. Would you like to proceed with the booking? Yes, please. May I have a contact number and an email address for the reservations? Sure, it's 0919-3485-382. And my email is angelnicoleherzano@yahoo.com. Thank you. And how will you be paying? We accept all major credit cards. I'll be using a travel card. Alright, could you please provide the card number, expiration date, and name on the card? The card number is 3158-369-578-248 and expiration date on 2016. Thank you. Your reservation confirmed for 2 nights from May 9, 2025 to check out on May 11, 2025 in a single room. Check-in is at 2 p.m. and check-out is at 11 a.m. We also have sent a confirmation email to angelgerosano@yahoo.com. You're very welcome. We look forward to welcome you to Cherry Blossom Hotel. Have a great day. You too. Bye. Goodbye.